Hello everyone, how are you all? Do you know why I am having these things? Today I am going to show you something. So let's start today's experiment with something that is soluble in water and insoluble in water. So one by one I am showing you the things that are dissolved in water and things that are not dissolved in water. So first of all, I am dissolving chalk in water. So you tell me chalk will dissolve or not. So I am doing this. I am dissolving this in water. It is a colorful chalk. It is in pink color. So it will take time to mix in water and you will tell me it will dissolve or not. So you can see this water, here some chalk is left. So you can see that chalk is left. Chalk is not dissolving in water. So chalk is insoluble in water. So I am writing which thing is insoluble in water. So thing is chalk. So chalk is dissolving or not? No. So chalk is insoluble in water. Now I am dissolving salt. This is salt. So salt will dissolve or not? So let's start to dissolve salt in water. I am dissolving salt and stirring by spoon. Stirring means hilana. So I am mixing this salt in water and now you tell me salt will dissolve or not? Salt will dissolve in water? Yes, why not? 100% salt will dissolve in water. Now you can see I am doing this activity to show you the things that are dissolving in water and some are not dissolving in water. So you can see this water, there is nothing left in water. It means salt is completely dissolved in water. So this is salt. So salt is dissolving or not? So salt dissolved in water. Now I am dissolving sugar. This is sugar and I am dissolving this in water. So you tell me this sugar will dissolve in water or not? So I am stirring this sugar regularly and in a few seconds you can see sugar has dissolved. It is a very clear liquid. This is a container B. So you can see that in container B nothing is left. So it was the sugar that has dissolved in water. So what has dissolved in water? Sugar. And now I am dissolving lemon juice in water. Now you tell me lemon juice will dissolve or not? Now I am going to show you lemon juice. It will dissolve in water or not. So I am mixing this in container and no need to stir this, and you can see lemon juice has dissolved. This is a pulp of lemon juice, but lemon juice has dissolved in water. So lemon juice is soluble in water. You can see lemon juice and you can do this at your home. You can take these things and you can do. So lemon juice dissolved in water. Lemon juice is dissolved in water. Now I am having soil, or this is soil. I will dissolve this in water. So you can see this, it will dissolve or not. After some time I am stirring this and I will left it undisturbed, but soil will not dissolve. You can see this soil. Is it dissolving? No. Why? Because soil has big particles that made from rock and a leaf, that is humus. So soil will not dissolve in water. So the things that is insoluble in water is soil also. So what I have shown you, that is things soluble in water. So first of all I have dissolved chalk. Chalk was not soluble in water, so chalk is insoluble in water. Then after I have dissolved soil in water, soil is insoluble in water, so this is insoluble. Next is I have dissolved salt. So salt was soluble or insoluble? Salt was soluble in water. Next, sugar. Sugar was soluble or insoluble? Sugar was soluble in water. Next, lemon juice. Lemon juice was soluble or insoluble? Lemon juice was soluble in water. So I am having one more thing, that is ink. Now I am dissolving ink in water. So you can see it is completely dissolved in water or not. So some part of ink is left because this is a ink of marker. But if you are having ink of pen, so that will dissolve. But this ink is not dissolving. So you can see here some parts of ink is left. So this ink is insoluble in water. So how can you check things are soluble in water and things are not soluble in water? So by dissolving things in water and left these things some time undisturbed, and you can see if the things are soluble in water and things are not soluble in water. You take shikanji in summer season. So the things that are used to make shikanji, that are salt, sugar and lemon juice. So all these things are soluble in water. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.